guys, welcome back to another Rio Ray vlog. So today we've got an awesome day planned out. Today we're going to go to the local town here called Manavgat, I think. So yeah, we're going to go to the local town. There's a market there, and also we're going to go to these cool waterfalls. I'm really excited. Let's get going.
Chocolate and vanilla. Okay. Come here. Thank you. Good eye. Give me a card. Give me a card. Yes, thank you. No eyes. Come here.
Alright guys, so right now we're at the waterfall, as you can see, so the camera's a bit blurry. But I'm so excited to take loads of awesome photos. So yeah, let's get going to the waterfall. I did that, and the waterfall is so nice.
I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes off of it, moving so phenomenally. You're more like the way we rock it, so don't stop. And under the lights when everything goes, I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes off of it, moving so phenomenally. You're more like the way we rock it, so don't stop. And under the lights when everything goes.
Alright guys, so we just had some awesome pictures taken with the parrots. It was so weird, like it was clutching onto here, and yeah. How was the parrot?
It was okay, but I felt a bit weird on my shoulders, and I did this, and the parrot sitted on here.
Guys, it's so hot. I need to do this. That's okay.
Good.
Alright guys, so we just made a stop to McDonald's because I am starving, so yeah, we're gonna have some lunch. The best thing about Turkey is everything's halal. So this McDonald's is halal. It's the first time I'm actually having a Big Mac, so yeah, I'm really excited. Yeah, I'll catch you guys when we finish. Alright guys, so we're just in Manavgat and we're waiting for our taxi driver. Alright guys, so at the moment we are staying in Manavgat, and we've come to this amazing temple. You guys might be able to see, but it's one of the ones that's around here. So yeah, I'm really excited. Hope you guys are too. So yeah, we're gonna go head over there now, and I'll just show you guys the temple. So we just finished up with dinner and we've come back to the hotel. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We went to the ancient city, and I also tried my we watched the waterfalls. I also tried my first ever Big Mac. That was really nice. I loved it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. As you can see, we have an amazing view of the pool here. Let me just try and do a little peek around, and then there's the hotel there. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for the next Turkey vlog. So yeah, high five, goodbye, Rio Ray out.
Little Iri out.